So Thursday, the 22nd of July 2021, looking at the crypto market just now, and my portfolio has changed quite a bit since the last time I did a video. So I have, through using the crypto.com app, I am investing far more heavily in more of the DeFi coins at the moment. So Polkadot has become a big player for me, as I've been putting some money into Solana and also Elrond as well. So just getting started with them, but I'm making those DeFi tokens near the top of my listings of currencies. So over just yesterday, we had a big kind of internet conference with Elon Musk, Cathie Wood, and Jack Dorsey on a thing called the B Word, where they were talking about the prospect of Bitcoin being used in the future and trying to get Elon Musk back in the game, hoping that would pump the market. The market has been having a dip. It's just been bouncing around a horrific area. Everyone talks about in dollars. If it goes below $30,000, everyone's really fearful. They're wanting to get back up to between 30 and 36. It's just been bouncing for ages. And in pounds, if it goes anywhere near 21, it gets a little bit scary as well. But there's an interesting stat here, is that the lower it goes, the more greedy people get. But not greedy to the point of them actually buying anything, greedy to the point where they're wanting it to drop more so they can buy more, so they can make more money. And whenever it goes up really high, everyone gets more and more greedy. So greed, they say it's on the fear and greed scale. It's always on the greed. But you just want to be greedy in terms of how low it goes, or greedy how high it goes. Because the lower it goes, the more you can buy. I, on the other hand, I've been in this since 2017, and I'm very much along the idea of never sell anything. I'm very much not trading anymore. I'm just fully just investing and sitting on. I'm hodling everything, doing absolutely nothing apart from buying stuff. So any work I get on the side where I bring in some income, just investing that straight into cryptocurrency, and just not even looking anymore at Coinbase or Coinbase Pro where you would trade. Taking it all out, just leave it on interest accruing sites. So Swissborg for some of my Bitcoin and Ethereum and my BNB, Binance Coin, and Crypto.com for my Polkadot, Polygon, getting some good marks on that. So yeah, 3 months ago or so, we were having our highs. It was like 48,000 pounds, and everyone's like, this is amazing. My portfolio was looking fantastic. It then has had to crash down. There's a lot of people still thinking that we are in a dip of a bull market, and the hope is that it is just going to keep on rallying up here. I'll just take out that coin. So yeah, it was down at 10,000. Everyone's kind of going to wish we could buy that again, so that it can go flying back up again. But a lot of people are thinking that there wasn't a blow off top, and they're wanting it to come down a little bit and then skyrocket again. There's a lot of people talking about, a lot of people that know their stuff, talking about how they think it could reach $100,000, $120,000, $130,000, $180,000 this year. This is July, and they're saying it could be happening November, December, could be getting up to those marks. So in terms of pounds, we're talking, yeah, potentially £100,000 per Bitcoin. So I'm working my way up to being a quarter coiner. But yeah, this this graph is gonna be insane if the original bull market that we had when I got into it only went up to, I'm sure it went more than £14,000. It went up to about $20,000, but I'm sure $20,000 more than £15,000. And then it's gone way up above that, so it's looking fantastic now, and it's went up to about 40,000. But the idea is that it will another 2x from there, or from where it is just now, around about 20. We're talking about 4x from here, 4 times as much as what it is just now. So everyone's like, let's keep buying in. talking about the whales buying everything at the moment, and that's where I'm at the moment. Any spare change I get, I'm putting into Bitcoin and other currencies. So everything's kind of followed Bitcoin's move, and I'll just show you my portfolio for future, maybe historic references here. So I'm currently around about £30,000 in total that I've got invested in this. And the 24-hour portfolio change can be shocking some days. It can go, just a couple of days ago, this isn't me putting any money in, this is just it fluctuating. It was down at 25,900 and then it bounced up to 30. So we're talking about a £5,000 difference in a week. But again, I'm not taking any of this out. I'm not trading any of this anymore. I'm literally just buying and holding. So my portfolio, the big one are Ethereum and Bitcoin. They're my top two ones. And Ethereum, at the time when I was buying Ethereum, it was not my biggest purchase. But because it went on such a tear, it's become, I've got 30% of my portfolio is in Ethereum and 20% in Bitcoin. Before, it was far more Bitcoin than it was Ethereum, but just because Ethereum, I was buying it when it was around about £300-400. So because that has gone up so much compared to Bitcoin from the times that I was buying it in, Ethereum has taken the lead. But what I'm trying to do is, I like that area. I like maybe 30% Ethereum, 30% Bitcoin, because both of them have great opportunities. The two coins that I have after that, the two biggest ones, are my apps. They're currencies. So Swissborg and Crypto.com. So they are the exchanges that I use, and by owning their currency, their coin, there's particular benefits you can get from that. So with Crypto.com, once you got to the £3,000 mark of Crypto.com, what did I get up to? You get beneficial bonuses on, what do you get it on? You get it on all your earnings. So there's an earn wallet in Crypto.com. I'll put links to this. You can get like free stuff with any of the links down at the bottom. But with Crypto.com, once I got to the £3,000 mark, I get my credit card, which is really cool. I really like that. If I can show you that. My credit card is metal, and I get 3% cash back on this. It's metal. Feels really good. I like it a lot. So I'm using this for everything now. And every time I go anywhere, I'll buy 3% cash back. Yes. And it's 3% cash back in Crypto.com currency. So in CRO. CRO, and that's building that up. And then with CRO, there's a supercharger event where you can gain interest without having to spend anything, and there's lots of things. Crypto.com, lots of stuff going on there. Definitely a great site, and lots of currencies to buy from there. Swissborg is great. It's got a couple of currencies that aren't on Crypto.com. It also has a very good, it changes a lot, but the interest rates you can get on Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP can be quite high. So I think on BNB up to 10%. On the Swissborg token itself, you get 10%, or up to that. There's lots of different things here. But yeah, both really good exchanges, really cheap. If you do the bank transfers, really quick going into Swissborg, certainly from my RBS account in the UK. In the Crypto.com, it takes a little bit longer, maybe 10 minutes until the money from my bank account is in Crypto.com. We're talking about 10 seconds into the Swissborg account. With Crypto.com, if I have a chunk of money, I'll put it in Crypto.com, because then there's certain thresholds to get an allocation in the earn wallet. So for example, to earn 6.5% on Bitcoin in the earn wallet, you have to have 0.005 of a Bitcoin, so about £150 worth of Bitcoin. If I've only got £20 to put in, I'll put it into Swissborg, because I can just top up my Swissborg account with tiny amounts and get interest on that straight away. So both of them I love. Both of them have their benefits, and both of them have their own currencies, which give you more benefits as well. So I'm a big fan of them. Now, Polkadot is one which I didn't buy at all until about the last month or so, and I've been going in pretty hard on this. The reason why I've gone into this as well is because on Crypto.com, I think it might just be because I'm at the £3,000 mark in terms of how much I've got staked of Crow. They're giving 12% interest on your Polkadot savings. So every 10, or if you have a minimum of 10 Polkadot, you can put it into the Earn wallet, and if you stake it for 3 months, you can get 12% yearly interest on that 3 months kind of time. So I was like, oh, that's good, like that. And Polkadot, this price has just been falling quite hard, but it's so potential, like it is a fantastic ecosystem. And we're at, you know, his all-time high was £35. So we're talking, I bought some the other day at £6 or something, no, £8. And so we're talking another 4x for Polkadot to get back up to its all-time high, which sounds great. So if I can 4x almost £1,000 worth of Polkadot and yet be getting 12% interest on that, fantastic. So again, buying, not selling. The whole goal here that I've got here doesn't, what am I missing here? Am I missing, it's not telling me how much I've got. Here it goes. Polkadot, where does it tell me? I've got 95 Polkadot. Goal, get up to 100. Polkadot would be what I'm aiming for. After that, it's Polygon. So Polygon is a layer 2 for Ethereum, and it also has good integration with the Aave protocol as well. So Polygon, again, was very cheap, or Matic was very cheap. I bought some of that when it's 25 pence. It then went also on a tear up to £1, went up to above £1. And I've been working my way up to getting 1,000 of that. Got that just the other day. What was it? It hasn't fallen down too much from it. Yeah, so it was at £1.85 was its max. Whew. And it's currently less than £1 just now. So anytime it's below 70 pence, I'm buying in. But I've got to my 1,000 and I'm like, great, don't need more than that. I will happily sit back on that. Another DeFi is PancakeSwap. So on PancakeSwap, I bought BNB, Binance token. I bought it from Swissborg. I transferred it to my Trust wallet. From Trust wallet, I imported it into the PancakeSwap. I bought half of Pancake. So I'm now liquidity pooling Cake with BNB to earn Cake, and then putting that into a farm or something. Can't remember. Lots of things going on there, making more Cake every day. That one was very expensive when I first got into that. It was $45, and that has fallen hard. So that one's I'm definitely in a loss on that one. Yeah, I'm 30% in a loss. That is for sure on that one. So, but that, again, I'm making potentially 100% interest on that. So happy with that one as well. So that's another DeFi one. Cosmos, that's the one on Coinbase, which gives interest. So just holding that in your Coinbase wallet, not the Pro wallet, but the Coinbase, just normal Coinbase, you get 5% interest a year on that one. So I've been topping that one up. And I think the goal for that one is about 100 of those as well. So slowly be adding to that one over the future months. But yeah, that one used to be like 13, 14, 15, up to £18. And now it's back down to £8. Whew, that's, for me, I'm thinking that's good price just now. BNB, I've been mostly buying for I don't have a Binance account. I've never had a Binance account, just never got into it. But BNB I buy via Swissborg, and I hold it on Swissborg where it can give me up to 9% interest on that. So and whatever I don't use from that, I can transfer to my Trust wallet and do more stuff on PancakeSwap. Algorand, again, another one which on Coinbase normal wallet, it was giving 6% interest. That's been cut down to 4% interest just now. But again, I was aiming for about 1,000 on that. That one again was one that 57 pence is for me pretty cheap. I was always buying that when it was a lot more expensive. Oh my goodness, it went up to we're 80% down from its all-time high. Yikes! But it's high from what we had. Yeah, £1.60. Yeah, so a good 3x below from or to go to get to its all-time high again. So that's kind of where I've been putting all my money. Then Elrond is one which I've been influenced by YouTube influencers saying Elrond's going to be pretty good. It's quite an expensive one at £50 per token. And got myself 6 of them. Again, on the Crypto.com app, if you stake it for 3 months, you get 3% interest per year for those 3 months. So I've just bought that, staking it, get 3% interest on that one. So nothing huge, but something which potentially has the opportunity to go up quite a bit as well. EOS I've had for years. It does nothing. I'm waiting for that to maybe go somewhere to then just sell and instantly put it back into Polygon or Polkadot, because it doesn't seem to do anything. Stellar is a fantastic currency for transferring money cheaply. It was cheaper for me in Coinbase to sell Ethereum into Stellar and then transfer Stellar almost for free from Stellar to Crypto.com and then convert that into Ethereum and put it into a staking wallet than it was to transfer Ethereum, because the transfer costs of Ethereum were so expensive. So Stellar is a fantastic form of very cheap currency transfer. So I'm a big fan of that, and I keep that for whenever I need to move money without any charges from whatever things are going on. Chainlink, again, something which I haven't invested enough in, so I'm getting into this one late, but I'm getting into it while the price is down from, it was around about £25, and again, just the chat about it being an oracle and how important it is to the ecosystem. We are at nearly 70% off. It was at, let's just say that was £40, and it's now at £11. So we're talking about 3.5x potential to get back up to where it was just only about 3 months ago. So Chainlink is another one which I'm trying to increase my bag with as well. Litecoin, I've just got that staked again on Crypto.com, and once that one comes out of its staking time, just selling that, putting it straight into Polkadot and Polygon. Utrust is one which I get on the Swissborg app, and Solana, I don't have that earning me anything. I've got 10 Solana, which I've been buying on Crypto.com, and that is, there's no earn wallet with Solana on Crypto.com, which is annoying. So I'm holding on to that until I'm sure Crypto.com at one point will give a Solana earning wallet function going on there. But that, again, is another one which is very high transactions per second protocol. So I think that won't be pretty good in the future here. Sushi Swap. Do I still have sushi? Where do I have sushi? I have no idea where I've got sushi. I think this is something which I've just forgotten to delete. I'll need to double check my accounts. I don't think I've got any Sushi Swap. And Tesla's another one which I'm trying to increase my amount of. I need to double check sushi. I have no idea where that is. I do not have £85 of Sushi Swap. Anyway, so that's where it's all going at the moment. And the rest are all just tiny little ones. We're talking about, less than £50 going on here. And these are all just speculation, just throwing money in and just seeing if anything pumps. But they all do roughly exactly the same. And some of them just crash hard. Red Fox Labs, brilliant. That was a good one. But then Orchid Protocol, boom, straight up. Oh no, I've got nothing of that. I've got rid of all of those. I've got £1 in AS, Australian Safe Shepherd. Yeah, I sold pretty much all of that. No, I've got 1 billion of it, but it's only worth £1. I think some of those meme coins have definitely just died a painful death. But in terms of like seriousness of what I'm actually trying to achieve is I've got my quarter Bitcoin, and there is a statistics, and if you've got 0.28 of a Bitcoin, you're statistically in the top 1% of Bitcoin holders in the world. So that's the goal with where I am with that just now. Just dollar cost average any little spare change that I've got into Bitcoin and keep gaining that interest of the 4.5, 6% interest of Bitcoin via both Swissborg app and the Crypto.com app going on there. So that one there, and then this Ethereum, I've got 6 of them. don't need more of that, because that is one which I think there is chat that could go up to like $10,000 a token. It's currently around about $2,000. If that went to 10,000, that would be new car time to buy a new car. But again, if I'm making interest on it, why sell it? Long-term holding here. Definitely think in the next 4 years before taking any profits, or just see where it goes at the moment. But yeah, Ethereum, Bitcoin, main ones I want to buy. The next one, there are 2 exchange tokens for their bonuses that you get by having certain amounts of them. And also I think that both the Crypto.com and the Swissborg token will go up in value significantly. And then the next ones are DeFi tokens. So your Polkadot, Polygon, Pancake. Cosmos is not so much DeFi. And Binance is another market coin as well. But yeah, Binance kind of gives you access to DeFi going on there. Elrond and Solana are the next. So the other ones I'm really building up are Elrond, Solana, and Chainlink. I want to get them up higher up in the markings that I've got here. But yeah, that's where it's going just now. At this time of year, it's summertime, it's hot outside, there is the threat of another coronavirus lockdown. I haven't been updating the CoinGecko portfolio for that long, so yeah, I literally just started it there. The way people talk online about where they think cryptocurrency is going to go, even this year, I'm expecting, even with me putting in no new money into this, it should go from £30,000, end of the year, should be £60,000. If it goes as well as, that's what I'm expecting 60 within the year. The way some not financial advisors are talking about where they think it actually is going, how much of a bull run we're going on, there's a potential of being up 90 or £100,000. So yeah, I'll redo this video in 6 months' time. And let's just see, are we closer to 60? Are we still at 30? Or are we at 100? Yeah, but it's just, cryptocurrency is just so much fun. I used to invest money into the stock market, and you would have stuff in there for 2.5 years. You'd look back at it and go, hey, I've made 10% in 2.5 years. Great. I feel that's good. Money hasn't disappeared and I've made money. As you put money in this, you can make 25% in a day. It's just so exciting all the time. It's like watching a tennis game, horse racing. And it just never ends, just constantly racing. And you're betting on every single horse. And they all win. I don't know. It's just, or some fall down and get shot. And it's only gambling if you sell. So that's my whole idea. Is in the first couple of years, I was like, oh, if I sell here, buy there, sell low, blah 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 blah. And all I can do is I can look back at my historical Coinbase accounts and just go, oh, I wish I hadn't sold. Oh, I wish I hadn't sold. Oh, I wish I hadn't sold that. Oh, I sold Bitcoin at £3,000. Oh, I sold Ethereum at £70. Ah. So yeah, I think the advice I would give to everyone is, if you're getting into cryptocurrency, buy and don't do anything with it. Just buy it and just be happy that you own something. Don't try and become a day trader. You're never going to make money that way. Exchanges will make money that way by taking their little percentage of every little trade that you do, but you'll just lose. So yeah, just buy and hold cryptocurrency. Hopefully in the future, this 30 will be pension fund levels of wealth. See how it goes. I've got another couple of jobs in the next month or so, which could bring in about another £1,000, £2,000, which I'll be putting into this. So if I'm at 30 just now, my input should be 32 going on there. Although it does say my total loss has been £7,000. That's because I started this CoinGecko wallet where I'm inputting all my numbers just a couple of months ago. So it's not totally accurate going on there. But yeah, that's what it goes. That's, fingers crossed, £60,000. coming my way. Cheers. Bye bye.